Hey there, campers. Welcome back. Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Adventures. And today we're going to head outside and go around the 26BH by Coachmen Clipper. It's going to be a non-slide bunkhouse. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, as you see here, we're going to be standing outside the Coachmen 26BH. This is going to be a non-slide bunkhouse. And on the front here, you're going to see we have a power tongue jack, 20-pound propane tank. It's going to be a 2 5/16" coupler. Some of the other facts about this guy, we're going to be at 4,769 pounds unloaded. We're going to be 29 foot 3 inches in length, a total height of 10 foot. We are going to have a fresh gallon of 40, 32 gray, and 32 black. As you can see on the back side here as well, we're going to have a full-size spare up top. It is prepped to accept a backup camera. You'll see your hot water heater there. And then we do have an 8-foot awning on this one. This will sleep up to 8. And then as we head inside, we'll talk about some of those features here in a second. All right, campers, and as you can see on the inside here, in our main bedroom, you're going to have some overhead cabinetry. Nice large bed. We do have in front of that half wall a jackknife sofa to sleep more or just use it as a sofa. Above that, and in your kitchen area, we're going to have tons of high up cabinetry. Nice little pantry there next to your refrigerator. 2-burner stove. A nice large sink with the covers, which will allow you to have plenty of counter space. Some more storage down below. Right across from that, you will have your dinette. And that'll convert down to sleep some more little ones, or maybe a full-size adult. You do have some storage up top as well. And then you have your double over bunks. So you get tons of space on these bunks. Like I said, a nice large 12-volt refrigerator. Then right next to it, we're going to have our bathroom. You can see a nice size shower, your toilet, some linen storage, a vanity with storage, and your sink as well. So you'll have a nice separate bathroom off of that. And we'll take one more walk around this way so you can see it all from a whole. And there you have it, guys. This is going to be the Coachmen Clipper 26BH. This will sleep up to 8, maybe more, depending on size. I did forget to mention that this does have a rooftop AC and heat, so you do have some nice climate control in this. If this is something that interests you, you can get a hold of us at cortlandrv.com for our complete inventory. And I'm Mike. And you just go to mike@cortlandrv.com in your email and let me know what you're interested in. And I will get you some answers. And I will see you in the next one.